right, fourth graders. So this is the second part of the 4-part series. First you learned about rivers, and now we're going to introduce how to draw people. So you will be focusing on the people of the Duwamish, and here are some simple ways to get started. Enjoy it. Let's see how you do in the end. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a couple simple ways to draw people. Here are a couple samples. One, I just free drew sort of a body. This one I'll teach you how to do. So you want to start out with shapes. So you can just do a simple, and do a triangle. So kind of an oval, and then sort of you could really do a triangle. And then you could just do a rectangle. And then you have like a base to start. You could draw arms coming down at the side. You can make the legs just standing like this. And that's a basic. And then you can reshape the head to make it the right proportion. Because sometimes you don't want a big head. Well, you could. Doesn't really matter. That's one way. Another way you could do it. Let's see. You could draw a circle. And then sort of a shape of the body. You know, draw one line down the middle, maybe one over here, and then a longer line here. And then with this one, you could have the foot going like that. And this foot maybe tucked down behind it. Sort of play around with the head. And those are two simple people. The third way you could do it is you could just do, you could do basic lines like a circle and kind of figure out like what direction or if there's action involved. I do these little knobby things. It's like a skeleton version of a person, and then you can add clothes to it. So, and just fill it in. Round the shoulders off a little bit. Just doing this quick. I mean, in this project, you can do a silhouettes of people, and you can throw the river in there as well. It's a little more than a stick figure, but kind of looks like he's in the shadow. I was playing around with the fourth part of the project. Had some ideas about how to draw we are the protectors, we are the water protectors. And in the book, they had a lot of the illustrations are beautifully done, and some are more detailed and some are simpler. Yeah, here, I'll just give you a little sneak peek. So I thought about doing like a tribal salmon like this, and then doing a little water, and then just silhouettes of the people protecting it. But we'll wait till part 4 before I show you this, or how to do that. But right now, this part of the project, you're just focusing on the people. And you may want to take a look on the internet of images of the Duwamish tribe and get some idea of how to do their hair. In the book, this was kind of the little girl in the book, sort of how they drew her. Her head's a lot bigger. Just use your imagination. These are 3 different ways of doing people. You can make them all different sizes, shapes, different headdresses, different hair, different outfits. Have fun. Hey guys, so real quick, I wanted to explain, because it's a 4-part project, and we explained that you could do all 4 parts together. You can combine them together, or you can do 1 for each section. This was where my mind took me, so I wanted to do a composition where I incorporated all 4 parts together in one composition. So in here I did the river and the people. River is the first part, and the people. I also added the animals, and I may do another video on exactly how to do a few Northwest animals that would be at the river and how to do these designs. The problem, the pollution, and then I had an eye crying. And then the solution, I'm still in that part of drawing this. So I just wanted to give you ideas that it can be almost anything. And we also should talk that if you feel like you want to do a booklet, where you had like a small booklet showing the different pictures and then the writings. It's pretty much anything goes, wherever your brain takes you. Be creative and have fun.